exactly the same way. From here at master, we need to select ocean. So once we select ocean, you can see there are few more fields like this: vessel, mother voice, feeder vessel. All of these are optional. You can see. Okay, let's add one sea master like this. Okay, so fuel at receipt date. Say for example today. And shipper, select any shipper from here. This master shipper and master consignee. Okay, let's say it could be any origin country. Let's select uh, New York, United States, for example. Let's say United States, and load port could be New York. Say for example New York, and discharge port is this. Then origin city, say for example New York. Then ISIN number and ISIN date, these are optional. Then select carrier could be anything. Then vessel, mother vessel, voice, ETA. This is feeder ETD and feeder ETA. There is a routing number, could be anything. Then click on save. Okay, one file has been against this master. You can see master is 565. Scroll down. Okay, see, we have added this master right now, and there is no houses. So we can add as many houses as required from here. And we can find this master from here at any point of time. Search from here. Right now we have added this one. We can find it like this, then click on this master. You can see there is no house because we didn't add any houses yet. Just click on this master number and scroll down and add house. If we want to make any changes in this information, we can click on edit master, and we can change it. Say for example this, then save. Okay, then scroll down and add houses. Add house. Say for example this house number, for example 666. Okay, sales type, for example let's select this consignee, notify. Then you can see for ocean shipment, marks and numbers are required. Descriptions of goods is also required. Then select freight term, it could be anything. Let's select CIF. Then select, let's say, non-wettable. Then we can add as many few lines as required. This one is option, this one is required. Then this is carton. 300 for example. Let's select, it could be carton or it could be anything else, pieces. Then length, width and height. You see this is gross weight for example. Then we need to mention the container number like this. Why? Like this. This is container number, serial number. Let's say serial number is this. Then container type. Say for example 40 high cube. Could be FCL, LCL or FCL part. Then there are a few more fields. These are optional. Now we can add as many few lines as required. Okay, we can remove this. Okay, then click on this. Say this shipper is required. Germany. Okay, now let's click on save. You can see this house has been created under this master number. This house has been created. Okay, now we can click on this house, or we can find the house from here. Search. You can see right now we have created this one. We can find it from here by house number or master number, or we can also find it by shipper concerning like this. Find the house, this one. For example, this you can find it. You see, click on this house. Now again, create some invoices. If we want to create an invoice, click on this house, then select party, any party, then address. There may have multiple addresses here. In that case, we have to select the right address. Then there are open and issued. Okay. Select as many charges as required. This is exactly same via shipment. So creating invoice and post vouchers are exactly same in air and sea both. Let's select this. We can add as many charges as required. Just select this one. So for example, ocean freight. If we keep it open, we can make changes at any point of time. Once we update this by issued and save, request to select this invoice type. It could be local or overseas. Let's select local and click on save. Okay, invoice has been created. So now we can create cost vouchers from here. Create cost vouchers. Then select party. Let's say any party from here. Could be any party. Then add charges. Could be, say for example, ocean freight. Could be like this, CDM, or could be container. Say for example 40 high cube like this. For example, let's say one. Then there could have multiple addresses. Okay. Then click on save. This is a confirmation. Are you sure want to create voucher in USD? Yes. Need to select this type, local or overseas. Click on save. Okay, one voucher has been created. Scroll down and you can see invoice and vouchers here. All invoice and vouchers need to authorized. You can see this in vouchers is open. Let's change it to some other values and change it to issued and save. Now you can see this is issued and we cannot make any changes over there. Now we need to authorize this invoice and vouchers from here. Input invoice, authorize invoice, like this. Say for example, Ocean. Authorize this one. If we want to authorize, click here. If you want to make this open, then we can click here. Let's do authorize. In same way, do authorize vouchers from here. You can see, check. In the same way, we can make it open. We can make it authorized. Let's authorize this. Now again, let's find the house from here. We can find houses, for example, this one, and we can get a summary of the shipment from here. Click on this print cost sheet. This is the summary. You can see this is the summary of the shipment. Okay, now let's see some reports. That's all. We have created one sea shipment. We have created an air shipment, and also we have created related revenue and cost, and we have seen a cost sheet having a summary of cost and revenue and GP. Now let's see some reports. We can see invoice. See invoice finance. We can see invoice list. Invoice list. We can find any invoices from here. We can find invoices by house number like this. Say for example, we have a house like this. We have created this invoice. We can get a copy of this from here. You can see this is invoice copy. And same way we can find cost vouchers from here. Cost vouchers. We can find by house number. We can find by like this. See, this is the voucher. We can get a copy from here. This is cost voucher. Now there are some other reports like this. Input MIS reports, house details report. If we click here, we can see. Let's select air, then we can get report for a date range. Click on here and see. You can see these are the shipments we have created. See, all informations are available in this report. This is the details report of a house. You see. Okay, there are another reports like this. Import finance report. We can get invoice list in Excel report like this. Let's select for date range and click on this and see import invoice list. See, all invoices are here. These are the list of invoices. Same way we can download vouchers from here. Click on this then select a date range. Then you can select transport mode. You can keep it all, you can keep it air or sea as well. Let's keep it all carrier and click on this and find this report. All cost vouchers are available here. Okay, there is another report like this, print DSR, daily status report. You can get daily status report from here. Select the date range and click on this. See, this is the daily status report on shipments. You can see all informations are available in this report. Okay, that's all about input shipment. So we have created an air shipment, we have created an sea shipment, we have created uh, some houses, we have created invoice and cost vouchers on those shipments, and we also have seen some reports on this.